Welcome. So dealing with a unit cycle. Unit cycle can be divided into four parts. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And these can be graduated from 0, 90 degrees, 180, 270, and 360. Now, this can also be said to be all student take chemistry. That means I say all are positive. That means sine is positive, cos is positive, tan is positive. Now, here too, in the second quadrant, student here means x is positive, cos is negative, tan is negative. That means all students take chemistry, or all students take civic, or all states take caution, or all saints take Christ. So now at this point I can start with having to do the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And the first quadrant, if I have this, it's my first quadrant, and this is my 0. Here, supposing that this is my k, we always, in trigonometry, we always see with the anticlockwise, so it goes this direction. So at this point, if I have 60 degrees, that is positive 60 degrees. Here, at the clockwise direction, I have 60 degrees. The anti-clockwise direction, I have 60 degrees. And the clockwise direction, I'm going to have 300. That is 300, negative 300. So therefore, I can now say that negative 300 is equals to plus 60 degrees. Also, in the second quadrant, sine is positive. Supposing I have this. This is my k, and this is my 0. And in the anti-clockwise direction, I have 120, angle 120. So angle 120 there is same as in the clockwise direction. I'm going to add 2 minus 240. 240 equals to plus 120. It means that the total of it here is 2 minus 240. So the total of it must be 360. Now, in the second quadrant, this is the second quadrant. Now, in the third quadrant, I can have, this is my k, this is 0, and I have, supposing I have 200 minus 200 degrees. So, for my clockwise direction, I'm going to have 200 equals to 1 minus 160 degrees. Now, as this is the third quadrant. The fourth quadrant is the fourth quadrant. If I have maybe 300 degrees, then the clockwise direction minus 60 So therefore, I can say that plus 300 degree is equals to minus 60 degrees. So in the unit section, the unit cycle have four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. And you can remember them by all students take chemistry, or all students take civic, or all students take caution, or all students take Christ. So at this point, I have positive. Here, the remaining one is negative, negative. Here is positive. Here is negative, negative. So, hope that is clear. I shall meet you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.